Welcome. In front of me is a Realme C30, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of this device. Okay, so let's get started and pop it straight open. Some paperwork, so I'm gonna toss that to the side. Get our phone. Don't mind that noise. Now inside we also get a charger. So this is a oof. That's a big oof. So this is not Type-C. This is micro USB. But at least we get a charger, and this will be a 10-watt charger, so pretty budget. Now, to be fair, this phone is basically a little bit over $100, so it is a budget device and basically all intents and purposes, so let's I guess keep an open mind to it. So we get a 6.5-inch display, 720p by 1600 pixels. It's a typical LCD IPS display with a brightness of about 400 nits, 82% screen to body ratio with 270 pixels per inch. Nothing really special, to be honest. Now we also have a Unisoc Tegra T612 processor and a couple options in terms of processor. But in terms of RAM, so we have either 2 or 3 gigs of RAM, both coming with 32 gigs of built-in storage and also expandable using an SD card. And in terms of cameras, as you've probably seen at the back, we only have one sensor, and that is a measly 8 megapixel wide sensor. And at the front, in that teardrop, we have a measly 5 megapixel sensor. So I'll be completely honest, at this moment, this phone is underperforming even in a budget category. I'm pretty sure Huawei has some like little bit over $100 phones along with Xiaomi, and both phones do have better hardware that you get for the money compared to this. Now it is Realme, so this is technically still like Chinese phone, so I guess if you have to pick out of 3 worst Chinese phones, you might as well pick the one that gives you the best hardware, and this I don't think is one. So yeah, apart from that, we do at least have a fairly big battery at 5000 milliamp hours, so this should give us a fairly decent battery life. And one thing that I'm curious is we don't have a fingerprint sensor on the side or anywhere, so I'm gonna quickly check. So it uses face unlock and pin pattern and password, so there is no fingerprint sensor on this. And one last thing that I want to check is if it has NFC, but I already don't see anything. Yep, and no NFC. So to be honest, this phone underperforms in almost every possible way. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave it at that. It's underperforming even for a budget phone, which kind of says a lot, I guess. Now anyway, there is not much more to say about this device. It is basically a budget phone, and it disappointed me anyway. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.